Hello! Are you looking to start your own online business and earn money through digital products? Look no further than Unlocking the Potential of Digital Product, a comprehensive guide to earning online. This book is your ultimate guide to creating, launching, and marketing successful digital products that will help you achieve financial freedom and make your online business thrive. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this book will provide you with a step-by-step roadmap to creating and selling digital products that people will love. You'll learn everything from how to validate your product idea to building an audience, creating a sales funnel, and optimizing your marketing strategies to maximize your profits. Written by an expert in the field of digital product creation and online marketing, Unlocking the Potential of Digital Product is packed with real-life case studies, actionable tips, and best practices that will help you avoid common pitfalls and succeed in the competitive world of online business. So if you're ready to take your online business to the next level and unlock the full potential of digital product creation, order your copy of Unlocking the Potential of Digital Product, a comprehensive guide to earning online today. Click on the link below to get your copy now.